This is the update we really wanted on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Though, if you want a taller foldable phone on a budget, Z Fold 7 is on a massive deal right now from Samsung listed in this video. Now, we got a lot of information about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Ultra. The base model Z Fold 8 is the wider version and the Ultra is actually the successor of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. But we got the information the actual update is coming on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. According to Universe, two new leaks. The crease control on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 series is just as impressive as that of the Apple Find N6. And the second one, the original Fold 8 has been renamed to the Fold 8 Ultra, while the original Fold 8 Lite has been renamed to Fold 8. This decision was made only recently. Now, there are two new updates. First, let's talk about the crease on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. We already disclosed about the crease on Galaxy Z Fold 8 a while ago, where Samsung showcased the difference between the older crease and the new crease, and the newer one is less visible compared to the previous generation. But later down the line, I said the Galaxy Z Fold 8 series doesn't have a privacy display feature, doesn't support the S Pen, and the crease doesn't improve much. But he also replied to this message: yes, this is the first version test and the last new version has significantly improved the crease, which means we are going to see really good crease management on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, because Apple Find N6 came with such an impressive crease management. And if Samsung is matching the same crease level, I'll be really happy to see that less visible crease on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. This is probably one of the most important update, and yes, coming on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. But if you already use the foldable phone, crease doesn't matter much, because over time crease will be more visible, because the number of folds you do with your Galaxy Z Fold lineup, it will start growing the crease in the longer run. So I think the regular fold users don't really bother with the crease, but it's a really good update on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. And we also got more information about the Galaxy Z Fold 8. This time we got the Z Fold 8, which is a wider version hands-on video, and it looks absolutely insane. Let's just first talk about the video and what I said about this. Now, this is the video of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide edition. Now, first, it just completely fits into your hand, and it is a lot wider compared to our normal phone and even the Galaxy Z Fold 7. But it just gives me a feels like the LG View 2 or LG Note 2. If you want to search about this phone, that phone is this much wider, and I used that phone a while ago, probably in 2013 and 2014. That phone was used, and this phone looks like that from a cover display, and I really like this phone. Is really good for multimedia use, but only two cameras on the back, and those two cameras are not that great. Now, what I said about this, the low quality dummy model of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Lite has appeared online. Its build quality is far from the real device, so it should only be used as a rough reference. From what I know, Samsung's internal testers are actually very fond of this device. Maybe it's because the form factor feels fresh and different. Samsung will actually create hype this time with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Lite edition, because most of the people would go with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Lite compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. And there's one more reason why Samsung is thinking the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and Z Flip 8 will be the successor and not the Galaxy Z Fold 8. There's a reason, because Z Fold 8 Ultra got more into it compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 8. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.